Hello friends, welcome to my channel Dipmun Creation. Today I have brought for you a new video which is about Amazon rainforest jungle. I will say one things to start the video. If you my channel is new, then subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. So let's watch the videos without delay. The Amazon video 10 Amazon rainforest is by far the most diversity area on the planet. Learn more about 10 of the most amazing Amazon rainforest animals that call the jungle home. On green anaconda. The green anaconda are the heaviest and second longest snakes in the world. These water birds are rather clumsy on the land, but more sly in swamps, marshes, and streams. They hunt with their eyes and nose on top of their heads. They can be hide most of their body underwater while keeping a look and for food. Number 2. Bicolored tree frog. The eyes on this frog are certainly its most notable features. The giant leapfrog are commonly found across the Amazon. This frog has bright green backside with a cream colored belly. The frogs spend most of their time free rather than the forest floor. They swing between trees like monkeys, giving them the alternative name giant monkey frog. Pink river dolphin live in the Amazon rivers and its tributaries, while the babies are dark gray. The adult dolphins appear a light shade of pink. Native tribes around the Amazon have several legends dedicated to the pink dolphins. Royal flycatcher. While the body of this bird is rather plain, it has an extremely beautiful clipped display when theatres of the time to attract a mate. The bright feathers, its crest range from yellow to red and have purple blue tips and spots. Amazonian tapir. At first glance, you may think tapir are some sort of wild pig or somehow related to the alternatives. In reality, tapir are most closely related in horse and rhinoceros baby. Amazonian tapir are born with the white strips and spots that fade over time. They are great swimmers and often run into rivers and escape their predators. Puma. Behold a true jungle legend, the puma, with its sleek build and carnivorous away. Prince is an appropriate adjective to the characteristics. This